Now given this, we're asked that shape P is reflected in the line x equal to -1 to give shape Q. Okay, and then shape Q is reflected in the line y equal to 0 to give shape R. Describe fully the single transformation that maps P onto R. Let's do the first one first. We are told that shape P is reflected in the line x equal to -1. So we'll go to value of x equal to -1, that's here. So along this whole line, shape P is reflected. Now, being reflected means it's just like keeping a mirror here. So whatever is here, you do it on this other side, okay? So let's try and represent this point the same way as this side, but reflected. Now we have, from this reflected line, we have 1, 2 points, okay? So on this side is going to, this is 1, 2, okay? On this side is going to be 1, 2. So you have the line, you have the first part of the object here. Now for this other point, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? That's from here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you make a mark here. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's fine. Now here you'd have, from here you have 1, 1, 2. From here you have 1, 2. So it's still here. Then for this point, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have the point here. So we'll just join the objects. So this is our Q. This is P being reflected. This is P being reflected along the line x equal to -1, and this is what it's going to give us, okay? This is our Q. Now we're also told that Q was reflected along the line y equal to 0. Now along this whole x line, y is 0. So we're going to reflect this Q onto this part to become R, okay? Now to do that, we have this point. Remember, we're using this as our reference. So from here you have just 1 point. So from here you have just 1 point. That's here. So for this point you have 1, 2, 3 from here. So this point you have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now for this point you have 1. Okay. So it's going to be 1. It's going to be here too. And for this point, on 5 you have 1, 2, 3. On the same 5 you have 1, 2, 3. It's just a reflection, like a mirror. From here, this is our R. Okay. Now the main question now asks is, what is a single transformation that you actually carry out on P that will make it become R without going through this process? Now we'll find out that the P was here before, then you rotated this way 90 degrees and this way 180 degrees, okay? And then the rotation of this one first was along the line x equal to -1, and this one was y along the line y equal to 0. So we can just say that the single transformation is just rotation of P at 180 degrees about points x equal to -1 and y equal to 0, because that's basically what we did. This one was x equal to -1, this one was y equal to 0. Okay, so the full transformation is 180 degrees rotation of P at point x equal to -1 and y equal to 0. That's a full rotation because the first one was x equal to -1, we got r q, and the second one was y equal to 0 and we got r, and this is just like a rotation through angle 90 degrees. When you rotate this way to face this way, then come down here to face this way. Okay, so this is just like 180 degrees rotation. That's basically how to solve this one.